Have you ever looked inside the flight deck of an aircraft and wondered what all those switches, knobs, and screens do? There are hundreds of them. They all work to help the aircraft navigate to where it needs to go, communicate with air traffic control and other aircraft, and keep the passengers entertained on long flights. All these electronics are called avionics, and the industry needs skilled professionals who can keep them working in top-notch shape. Avionics technicians are experts in complex electronic systems of today's modern aircraft. With miles of wiring and dozens of interactive systems, an aircraft's avionics are nearly as important as its wings. Avionic technicians repair radios and other instruments, fix radar systems, install in-flight entertainment and Wi-Fi systems, and so much more. For more information, please visit broward.edu/aviation.